If you're looking to close your GetResponse account, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the exact steps to close your GetResponse account and also share some alternative platforms that might suit your needs better, so stay tuned until the end. First, let's dive into the basic steps. The very first thing you'll need to do is log into your GetResponse account. Once you're logged in, head over to the account settings. You'll find this by clicking your name in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, click on the account option from the drop-down. Next, on the account page, look for the Billing tab. This is where you manage your subscription, and you'll need to go here to finalize your account closure. Once you're in the billing section, scroll down to find the option that says Cancel Account. This is where the process officially begins. Now, you'll be prompted to provide a reason for closing your account. GetResponse wants feedback from users before they go, so make sure to fill that out. Don't worry, this step is optional, and you can skip it if you prefer. After you submit your reason or choose to skip it, you'll be asked to confirm the cancellation. This is the last step before your account is officially closed. Just click Confirm, and your GetResponse account will be deactivated. The fourth thing to note is that if you're on a paid plan, you'll continue to have access until the end of your billing cycle. So, make sure you've backed up any important data or contacts before this happens. You won't be billed again once the current period ends. Alright, now let's talk about a few things you should keep in mind when closing your account. If you're using any third-party integrations with GetResponse, you'll need to disconnect those as well. It's a good idea to go over all of your connected apps and make sure everything is unlinked before you finish the closure process. Finally, once your account is closed, GetResponse keeps some data for a limited time in case you want to reopen your account or retrieve certain information. If you're absolutely sure you don't need any data, then you're good to go. But hold on. Before you click away, let me tell you about some alternatives that could actually work better for your needs. While GetResponse is a solid platform, it might not be the best fit for everyone, especially if you're focused on growing your email list or need more advanced automation. For those looking for something simpler, there are other options that might serve your goal even better. Platforms like ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign offer more streamlined automation and better deliverability rates for email campaigns. Both come with great free trials and excellent customer support. In fact, I've got an exclusive deal for you today. Do our link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and extended benefits that are available exclusively for our viewers. So, if you're looking for something that's user-friendly and has top-notch features without the headaches, be sure to check out the link below. You'll get started with the best possible free trial and added benefits that can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.